Hello, today I decided I was going to do a power test with the Hoover Conquest 18-inch and the Eureka Commercial. I cleaned out the dirt cup in the Hoover, and the Commercial's got a brand new paper bag in it, so they're pretty much even. So start out with the Conquest and then I'll go to the Commercial. So that was the Conquest. Pretty much that. Well, should probably move the camera. What? The Conquest. Very nice. Let's get some stuff out of here. Right now for the Commercial. So, I think it was about a tie. I mean, leave me comments on what you think, but I think it was pretty well timed. Maybe the Eureka did a little bit better. I think it was a little faster. Alright, well, my YouTube accounts are VGG, DWZ, and Kirby Collector. Look for more of my videos on YouTube.